Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, 22th March 2023, and here are the top 6 stories that have made headlines for today. Couple double booked with python in Kruger National Park. A couple recently got the surprise of their life when they looked up and saw a python on the beam of their bedroom roof in the Kruger National Park. They were double booked with the python. Micah Bofetokis recently shared their experience on the SAN Park's Facebook group. Woman nearly dives into a shark's mouth. Marine conservationist, scientist, and entrepreneur Ocean Ramsey was in for the shock of her life when she almost dove straight into a shark's mouth. The video was shared on her Instagram account. Ramsey, as reported by NDTV, stated that she saw the tiger shark approaching very closely and with enough speed that it appeared as though the shark was going to take her fin tips. 9-year-old girl died after Durban drive-by shooting. Paramedics said the 9-year-old girl who was shot during a drive-by shooting in Durban has died. 2 other people were also killed. According to Emajimet spokesperson Kyle van Reenen, the little girl died on arrival at the hospital. Woman recovers after shark attack in shallow waters in Jeffreys Bay. A shark recently attacked a woman in the shallow waters of Jeffreys Bay recently. According to Jeffreys Bay Online, the attack happened about 3 weeks ago at Cabooljo's beach in the shallow water. Although there is no confirmation from any expert in this instance, most agree, including the doctor who treated the patient after being transported by private care ambulance, agree that it was possibly a raggy shark. National shutdown, AfriForum says the EFF failed. The civil rights organization AfriForum says the EFF failed to bring the country to a standstill during their national shutdown on Monday, March 20, 2023. The Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, took part in a countrywide national shutdown calling for President Cyril Ramaphosa to step down. They also protest against load shedding. Government told bus companies to cancel EFF bookings. Presidency Minister Kambudzo Nshivini has defended the government's decision to block buses from transporting Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, supporters to various destinations during the party's national shutdown on Monday, March 20. The party embarked on its planned national shutdown protest on Monday. Amongst a long list of demands, the party demanded the end to load shedding. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.